Potsdamer Platz, which is a Christmas market by the Berlin Mall. We're gonna look around here. I have some gifts in mind that I'd love to get for my family. It's only about 3:30 in the afternoon, but as you can see, the sun is going down and all the little twinkle lights are coming on. We came to Berlin to come to Christmas markets. I'm excited to see what else they have. I can't get my bag open. Oh shoot. There you go.
Potsdamer Platz is one of our favorite places so far, at least for me. I think it's a perfect mix of like tourism and local culture. Right next to it you've got a giant mall, the Mall of Berlin, as well as another one as you continue to walk down the street. You can step in out of the cold, you can stop and get foods as well as little trinkets that we haven't seen in other markets so far. But Ashley's not satisfied. We've come to Alexanderplatz Marketplace now, and it's smaller, it's more centralized, and there's still a lot to do. There's lots of little shops, lots of little things. There's a carousel in front of us. It's positioned here just under the famous TV Tower of Berlin. But one thing is special about this place.
They have the best ornament shop ever, and it's all made in Germany.
So Ashley is gonna look for some glass, hand-blown German ornaments.
Pickles, to be exact. Lauscher Glas Cocktailhaus. Or something like that.
After a long day of shopping at different markets, it's time to come to some place that both of us can enjoy, and that is Holzmarkt. This is a place that we showed in a different vlog, but we didn't actually come while it was open. So we're coming here to get something to drink, refresh ourselves, and relax a little bit before going back home and showing you guys our haul. Now, of all the markets that we've been to tonight, Holzmarkt is probably the most local. There are no metros that come here, just a bus. You have to walk from the nearest metro about 10 minutes, so it's too far for most tourists. But this place is really cool. It's got sort of a hipster bohemian vibe. Lots of little handicrafts that you wouldn't find at other marketplaces, and it's pretty much all locals. There's fireplaces everywhere. They're shooting fire off like as kind of a theatrical effect as well. It's got a really cool, chill vibe. We're gonna head now home and show you our haul. Now, one of the cool things about traveling abroad and going home for Christmas is that you can bring back gifts. So Ashley went out and found a lot of gifts for family and some friends, and she ran a couple errands for her mom. And we're gonna show you what all we got today at our Christmas market.
This is our first Christmas shopping that we got done.
This is Christmas shopping.
And I think that we did pretty good. First off, we got some chocolate. German chocolate.
German chocolate.
Oh wait, this isn't. Okay, so we got these chocolates. It's from a company called Rausch, I think.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
And we got all these flavors. I have no idea what the flavors are inside.
But they have to be special because they're sort of upper tier price range.
These are 75 euro cents
a piece.
A piece.
Each.
So everyone only gets one.
You get one chocolate and you're gonna like it.
Because it's very special. They're expensive.
Oh, they give us some samples. Nice.
Plus, we got these chocolates that have a bunch of different chocolates in it, and we're gonna share it with our families. All try the different chocolates together.
Same company,
Really cool.
just not as special-ish, I guess.
In this package, My grandfather is German. My dad's stepdad, but has been my grandpa forever. And so we got him some German sausage. Sausage?
Yeah.
What'd you call these sausages?
No. What?
Yeah, they're sausages.
They're sausages.
I think. Yeah, but they're like dried sausages. And so we got a garlic kind, a walnut kind, and then Josh really wanted like an original, natural kind.
Meat.
Smells good. Mm-hmm. So we're going to share that with our families as well, which is really fun. And they come on a string. Josh and I saw a little old lady buying these, and so we thought they are legit Christmas cookies. Mm-hmm. So we got these Christmas cookies to share with our families, and there's like a bunch of different kinds inside. We
don't exactly know what they are. Mm-hmm. They're made by a company that's called Weiss, and it's called Meisterklasse. So Masterclass something.
They have like this white crunchy on one side, and then the other side's kind of cookie-y.
Yeah, it's like a wafer with stuff on it. She gives 3 tasters?
That's what I was thinking. She gave us a lot of tasters.
Oh, okay. I'll eat them. We got 4 samples. I think that just about does it for the food. Is that right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
The little snackaroos. This little package is a special little package. This is from my favorite store. Like, we've gone to a lot of Christmas markets, and literally this was my favorite place in all of the Christmas markets.
At the Alexander Platz market.
Yeah. This is Glasgow Gelhaus. My mom asked me to pick up these special ornaments for some of her friends. This is a tradition that we do every year. There you go. This is a little pickle. It's a pickle ornament. And supposedly, the tradition is that Germans on the day of Christmas will hide a little pickle on their tree, and whatever child or person finds the pickle in the tree, which it's very camouflaged, they get an extra little prize or treat. But the funny thing is that the German girl that we're staying with right now, our roommate,
she's never heard of it.
Yeah. So who knows?
And she's from Bavaria.
But this little pickle right here, on the tag, it says that it was hand blown, or it was blown by somebody here in Germany and hand painted, and so that makes them extra special.
A quick little fact about glass ornaments, at least in Berlin, it seems that because there was so much glass production here during war times, there's a lot of glass factories, and out of that grew the industry of making ornaments.
They have so many cool ornaments. Like, I would come here just at Christmas time to get ornaments for my tree.
As you saw in our footage, there's a ton of stuff there, and she really held herself back.
I went every aisle. So I got these the other day when we first found that place. And this will just give you an idea of how special that ornament place is.
If you are Sandy, Ashley's mother, do not look.
So this is an ornament that I bought there for my mom, and it's got a little clip on it, and so you clip it on the tree. It is so special. And then my dad, I got him a special one too. A little fishing pole with a little sparkle fish on it.
Gone fishing.
It's so cute. They're so unique and something that would be hard to find in the US.
So as you can see, there is a lot to do at these Christmas markets in Germany. You can come and just enjoy an afternoon or an evening out with friends or a loved one. You can go by yourself and maybe perhaps meet some people. That could be a fun thing to do. It seems like it's just the thing to do, and as you saw that last market that we went to, especially Holzmarkt or Holzmarkt, I think, that wasn't around any metros, and we couldn't find any information about it online, so it definitely seems to be a unique locals thing.
It was definitely food focused, not necessarily handicrafts.
There were some handicrafts down, but it was a very small section, and it was not like your typical Christmas stuff. So it was kind of different. It was special and fun. So WayFam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. I would recommend coming to Berlin, especially around Christmas time. It gets really special here. So we will see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Good night.
Gute Nacht.